Metric micrometers are a little bit easier to read than US micrometers because, well, we're using the metric system, which means the decimal places are a lot easier to read. The US system, we go with a 1/4 of an inch, then a 40th of an inch, then a 1,000th of an inch. With the metric micrometer, we're going to go off of each of these small divisions represents 0.5 millimeters. So there's 1 millimeter, 2, 3, 4 millimeters. There's 5 millimeters. These each represent 0.5 millimeters, and it kind of goes back and forth between which side you're looking at to make it a little easier to read. Otherwise, it gets a bit crowded. Other than that, the thimble goes all the way from 1 to 50, or from 0 to 49, I suppose. And so when we're reading this, let me zoom in a little, we'll kind of do the same sort of thing. This will be 10, 11. It doesn't look like we're yet to the 11.5, so I'll go 11 millimeters. And we're at, looks like, here's the 15, this would be the 16 right there. So we're going to go 16, well, 11.16, I guess. Actually, let me do this in 2 separate lines. So 11 plus 0.16 is 11.16. Reading this one, we need to decide if we're before or after that 15. It's kind of hard to tell. I think I'm going to judge that we're after it. I think that this is just a case of bad graphics. Normally it shouldn't be this hard to read. Yeah, I think we're after the 15. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try it. Well, I mean, I'll just get the wrong answer if I'm wrong. But we're after the 15, and it looks like we're at the 21 here, because this is the 20, and the 21 is the one that lines up with this line. So we'll go 15.21 millimeters. Down here we have 5, 6, 7. It looks like we're actually a little bit past the halfway mark to the 8, so this will be 7.5 plus... Oh, no, I think I'm wrong there, actually. It doesn't look like we're quite yet to the halfway point, just based on the fact that this is, you know, the halfway point should be right here. We should be really close to the halfway point, but not quite there yet. So I think I'm actually going to say that the fact that we can see that is just because there's some thickness to the line, and, you know, it's not... Even if you're reading these things in real life and you don't have blurriness to deal with, there's still some of this that you have to deal with. In any case, 7 millimeters, and it looks like we're at 45 would be here. 46 is the one that lines up here, so I'm going to say 7.46. And this one, looks like we're at 21. It looks like we're probably past the 21.5 mark. And we're at, this is at 43, so 21.5 plus 0.043, or sorry, just 0.43. So this is 21.93 is what we'd end up with there.